Life in Fiji, the land full of mysteries and most beautiful women? Fiji, a tropical paradise that feels like it's straight out of a dream. Known for its crystal-clear waters, lush islands, and a culture as vibrant as its sunsets, Fiji is more than just a vacation destination. It's a land of mysteries, unique traditions, and yes, some of the most beautiful women in the world. But what makes Fiji so fascinating? Stay with us as we explore the intriguing life in Fiji, a journey packed with surprises that will keep you hooked till the very end. Did you know Fiji is made up of 333 islands? While only about 110 are inhabited, each island has its own charm and story to tell. From secluded beaches to hidden waterfalls, Fiji is like a real-life treasure map waiting to be explored. Fijians are often referred to as the warmest people on Earth, and it's easy to see why. Their iconic greeting, Bula, isn't just a hello, it's an invitation to happiness and positivity. But here's the mystery. How do they maintain such a welcoming spirit in every corner of this island paradise? Fiji is home to some of the most naturally beautiful women in the world, with radiant smiles and a connection to their land that shines through their vibrant personalities. Their beauty is deeply rooted in the island's traditions, diet, and a lifestyle focused on harmony with nature. What's their secret? You're about to find out. One of Fiji's greatest mysteries lies in its traditional drink, kava. Made from the roots of the icona plant, this drink isn't just a beverage, it's a cultural ritual. Known for its calming effects, kava plays a central role in Fijian ceremonies and gatherings. Could this be the secret to their laid-back lifestyle? Fiji boasts some of the most untouched natural landscapes on Earth. From the soft coral capital of the world to the emerald jungles, every corner of Fiji feels like it's been plucked from a postcard. But it's not just about what you see, it's also about what you feel. There's a spiritual connection to nature here that's impossible to ignore. Fijians take pride in their traditions, from their unique meek dances to the ancient art of mat weaving. Village life is the heartbeat of Fiji, where community and family come first. And here's a fun fact. In Fijian culture, men often wear a sulu, a traditional sarong that reflects their deep cultural heritage. If there's one thing that unites all Fijians, it's their love for rugby. Fiji is home to some of the world's best rugby players, and their passion for the sport is unmatched. Rugby here isn't just a game, it's a way of life, bringing communities together like nothing else. Fiji is a land steeped in legends. From stories of the fire-walking warriors of Beka Island to the myths of sea creatures protecting the islands, every Fijian village has a tale to share. These stories aren't just myths, they're a glimpse into the spiritual soul of Fiji. Ever tasted lovo? It's Fiji's traditional underground cooking method that infuses every bite with smoky, tender perfection. Fijian cuisine is a celebration of fresh seafood, tropical fruits, and a fusion of Indian and native island flavors. The food here is as warm and comforting as the people who prepare it. Despite its small size and remote location, Fiji consistently ranks among the happiest places on Earth. Could it be their connection to family, their respect for nature, or their simple way of life? One thing's for sure, Fiji has mastered the art of living in harmony with both themselves and their surroundings. Life in Fiji is more than just stunning beaches and mesmerizing sunsets. It's a journey into a world of deep-rooted traditions, captivating legends, and some of the warmest and most beautiful people you'll ever meet. So, is Fiji the land of mysteries and extraordinary beauty? Absolutely. What part of Fiji amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more incredible destinations with epic destinations. Until next time, Vinaka.